In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PNG image into Canva. Whether you're crafting a stunning presentation, designing an engaging social media post, or just exploring your graphic design skills, learning how to add PNG files to your Canva projects can be a great tool in your design toolkit. First things first, let's navigate to your Canva dashboard. If you're a bit new to this area, no worries. Simply head to your homepage after logging into Canva. Here, you have the option to either create a new design or jump straight into your recent designs if you're continuing a project. For the purpose of this guide, let's click on your recent designs. This can be particularly useful if you're working on a current project and want to add some new elements to it. Next up, we need to find the perfect PNG image to include in your design. A quick and easy way to do this is by heading over to Google. Just type in what you're looking for followed by PNG in your search bar. This will help you locate images that have transparent backgrounds, which are perfect for layering on Canva. Once you find the image you want, right-click on it and select Save as PNG. Make sure to save the file in a location on your computer where you can easily find it. Now, it's time to bring that PNG file into Canva. Go to your computer's files and locate the PNG image you just downloaded. It's always a good idea to double-check that the file has been saved correctly and is in the format you need before moving forward. With your PNG file ready to go, head back to Canva. Once you're back in your design, look towards the top of your Canva page and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Files. This will open up an upload window where you can navigate through your computer's files to find the PNG image you want to upload. After selecting your file, Canva will start the upload process, and soon your image will appear in the Upload section of your sidebar. To add this image to your design, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Remember, you can adjust the size and placement of your image until it fits perfectly within your project. And there you have it. You've successfully added a PNG image into your Canva design. By following these easy steps, you can now incorporate any PNG image into your creations, adding more depth and personality to your designs. So go ahead and have fun experimenting with various images and designs. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.